Brian Herbert said that the capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill, and the willingness to learn is nothing but a choice. Your choice and willingness to learn Six Sigma is really commendable. Congratulations. My name is Neil, and I'm your instructor for this course. I'm a certified Master Black Belt, and I have over 20 years of work experience. Let's now talk about the objective of this course. This course is mainly designed to help you acquire a universally accredited Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification. More importantly, this is a professional development course, and hence, I want to make sure that you take some of this learning and apply them in real life business scenarios. Remember that end of the day, your employers are actually looking for you to contribute to the growth of their organization. Most people see Lean Six Sigma as a quality management specialization. It is not. In fact, Lean Six Sigma is a business performance improvement method. And that is why I have taken care in this course to design it in such a way that it has more examples from the business performance aspect. I would like to hear from you about your aspirations, your career aspirations. Why did you register for this course? Did you do so because you want to acquire a certification? Is it because you want to expand your knowledge? Or simply because someone asked you to do so? I would love to hear from you. You could either send me a message or you could post a comment to this video. In doing so, you can also introduce yourself. Now we will move forward and talk about the course structure and what you're going to learn. So now let me talk about some of the course features. This will be very useful to you when you are progressing in this course. All put together, there are around 23 sections in this course. And as I mentioned to you earlier, this course is driven through a case study. The case study is called as ClearCalls Case Study. We will introduce this case study in the subsequent lectures. How do we use this case study? In most of the sections, you would find that as and when you learn a tool, there would be a problem or a question to you relating to the case study. You can solve that offline, and then you can validate your answer against the solution that is provided in the particular lecture. Let me show you an example now. If I scroll down and go for example to this where we are talking about the define phase, here if you see, we are talking about a problem and we are talking about a solution here. So you could use a template that we have provided you. In this course, we have altogether included 13 templates, Excel-based templates. You could download those templates and use that template to answer the question and validate your answer against the solution that we have provided. This way, you can refine your learning. In addition to this, at the end of every section, there is a file that is attached called as takeaway file. This is a zip file. If you download it, it will have important notes of all the lectures of that particular section. You can make your own notes, but I'm sure this is going to come very handy for you when you're preparing for certification exams. In addition to that, every section has a quiz, and this will help you to self-assess yourself and refine your knowledge. Now let me move forward and talk about one of the other important features of this particular course. In every lecture, I have marked whether that particular lecture is easy, medium, or difficult. Depending on that, you will be able to decide how you have to dedicate time for it. Sometimes when you're struggling, it might be actually a difficult lecture. You might feel that the whole course is difficult. So few things are difficult, and when it is difficult, it will be highlighted. You can pause, spend more time, revisit the videos. Thereby, you will ensure that your learning is complete. In the last lecture, the 23rd lecture, details about Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification and the next steps are included. I would encourage you to go and check that. Further, for the purpose of your reference, there is a book called The Master Book for Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Certification. The first chapter of that book is included as a resources in this particular lecture. You could click and download that. That has details about what is Six Sigma, how it is used, how it is beneficial, etc. It matches to the curriculum of both IASSC and ASQ. And finally, before we wrap up, I want to mention that this is one of the longest courses for Lean Six Sigma. It has more than 130 lectures. So it's very important for you to sustain your enthusiasm. Make sure you have a plan and you stick to the plan. My recommendation would be that you devote at least 2 to 3 hours every weekend in a structured manner, and you would be able to complete the course on time. With that note, we're going to wrap up this lecture and see you in the following lectures.